going? Oh, which way is it coming?
Come this way. Keep watching. Keep watching, it's coming. Yes.
Which way is it coming from?
We're on these tracks right here. Right here, right here.
On the south track?
Yep. Watch. Here it is. There it is, buddy.
I hear it.
Yep, right there.
Here it is.
I can't see you from here, buddy.
I know.
Two engines. We go right past that spot where we were at.
Yep.
Alright, that's 14 right there. It's good.
I would hard to keep a number.
I know.
That's alright.
We'll get a little closer. I'll wait for one to hit over here.
We'll go back to that spot though.
Yeah, we'll go back to that spot after you see one come right here. Okay?
After that one, you mean?
We'll see.
Okay.
Relax.
That's 14.
Alright.
That's a lot.
That's 14 trains there, pal.
Am I lucky?
Huh?
Are we?
Yeah.
You think that's more than...
So you think this was a good day?
You think this is more than 4 times last time? You think this is more trains than I seen last time?
Yeah. A lot more. We only saw 9 last time.
I think that train might move out too.
Yep. Keep your video on that one, buddy.
Yep. What type of cars are those?
I don't know.
Intermodal.
Hey, you know more than I do.
Those are intermodal cars here. They can carry anything.
Really?
Like gas, like it's kind of like mixed freight, but it's different.
Like I said, buddy, you know more than me about this.
Looks pretty long.
Oh, there's the end right there.
The end.